Okay, so good morning. I am about to package her order. Me and my mom made this last night. If you guys are new to my page, me and mom do have a custom shirt business. I don't have my folder thing. Thing I usually do to fold this. I'm being lazy. I don't feel like walking and going to get it, so I'm just gonna fold it myself. The camera is really low, of course, so you guys can see what I'm doing. And also, I look a mess, so yeah. Oops, okay. Okay. Make sure it's perfect. And usually as soon as we get an order, if I have enough time, I will ship the same day or the following day. This week, we have a few orders this week, but I already shipped them out, of course. And if you have any questions about the poly mailers, this plastic bag, or anything, if you guys want to purchase, I'm going to have a link in the bio so you can know where you guys can go. And they all get like a little cute little goodie bag. And so anyway, today's going to be a really chill day. I have to work. I close tonight. So I'm just going to ship this, come back, and relax, and then head to work. I'm surprised I'm not tired. I was up late doing homework. I didn't finish my paper till like 12 o'clock in the morning. So yeah, let's go ship this order, and then, yeah. Noises this car next to me. So I just got my Happy Meal. I'm so happy. I like getting Happy Meals because, you know, I'm not that hungry, but I'm hungry. Makes sense. This is a cute little toy. But I have a nail appointment at 1:30. Class was canceled today, so I wish I would know ahead of time the class was canceled, so I have time to, you know, I could schedule my appointment earlier than 1:30. Ooh. It is so hot, guys. It is so hot outside. It's ridiculous. So I just want to eat a little bit, and then we're gonna head out. Today's gonna be a kind of a busy day. This is my little nuggets. This car actually is annoying me next to me. But today's gonna be a kind of a busy day for me. Okay. Am I yelling? Okay. Anyway, I'm going on vacation next week, so I still haven't packed. But after my nails done, I have to go to the store, pick up some few things. So I might as well record it. Guys, it is so hot outside. So hot. This is good. So, oh, I'm sorry. And we have to finish, me and my mom have to finish making orders. You guys new to my page, me and my mom have an online business, and we make custom shirts. So we fulfill, well, we haven't fulfilled it yet, but we are our largest order. She ordered 10 shirts because her and her friends are going on a girls trip. So they want matching shirts. So I'm so grateful, but making sure it takes about 2 days. You have to let it sit. You have to. It's a lot. But I'll show you guys the process. You got 6 minutes. Anyway, I'm at the parking lot of Target. We went to, oh my god, I look horrible. We're about to do some shopping for my vacation, and I want some Starbucks. I have a meeting with, I'm doing a project. I'm gonna talk about it later. I want to talk about it well, I really don't want to talk about it now just yet. But yeah, let's go shopping. And I need to go to the store. Okay, we have a lot of stuff to do. Hopefully they don't trip out no mask because it is freaking hot and I can barely breathe. They got some rude asses here.
How are you doing?
Okay guys, so I'm back in the car. I want to show you guys what I ordered. Oh my god, I shop online too much. What I purchased. This lighting is horrible. I think I need to move the car. I'm about to move the car. I need better lighting. I can't. Let's move. Hold on. Okay, it's better. I had to move the car. Okay, so I am back from Target. I want to show you guys what I purchased. I didn't have a lot of luck. Usually I always love everything that's in Target, and the customer service here was horrible. I do have to say that. I'm sorry. I'm big on customer service. I work in customer service and I have a business, so I know about, you know, customer service and all that. So I'm not gonna say anything else about that. I wanted to so bad, but I'm like, you know what, I'm just gonna let it go. It's hot. I'm getting them the benefit of the doubt, but this bag is heavy, so everything came up to $50. Yeah, and I only wanted to buy like 5 things. I only wanted to buy, yeah, I think, okay, anyway. So yeah, I had a list. This is okay. I'm being mindful of the time. It's 4. Oh shit, I have a meeting at 4:30 on Zoom, so I might as well just chill here. I'm glad I moved now. Okay, so whatever I pull out, we're gonna talk about. So the first thing is this is shaving cream. I don't care about the brands of shaving cream, but this is the one I got. It was only $2.99, and it says it's for sensitive skin. It has lotion, vitamin E, and all of that. Yeah, $2.99, you can't beat that. I like it. And mind you, this is all for my vacation. And I got some oil and lotion. These two together, oh my god, like it makes, oh sorry, your skin looks like it's glowing. It's everything. I love these two together. That's my all-time favorite. I got some body washes. These are my favorite of all time, and I love when they have a sale on these. Usually they have like buy one get one free, or buy one. It's always like a nice sale with these, but these two are, well actually this is the all-time favorite. Oh my god, it smells so good. I can't even describe it. It's shea butter and brown sugar, and literally I swear I feel like this lasts all day. I don't know why. But it smells amazing, guys. And then I got this one as well. This is pomegranate and coconut milk in it. It smells good, but this one smells better. I should got 2 of these, but it's fine. I'm still being mindful of the time. I got some Dove soap, deodorant. Oh my god, guys. So I got some Dove deodorant. This is the brand that I like, and when I get deodorant, I have to make sure it's anti-perspirant. I cannot even speak today, guys. I'm ready for my vacation. But you guys can zoom in a little bit if you guys can see. This is the 148 hours. It's perfect twin pack. Perfect. This was about $12 for 2. It's fine. I wish I had the mini size, because mind you, when I travel, I like to bring everything that's mini, but unfortunately they didn't have this. What else? Oh, we're coming to an end too, guys. I bought this for my for my face. I'm making sure I bought the right thing for my face. So hydrating cleansing gel boosts hydration, soft skin, and all that. I need sunscreen. I think I'm sorry, I'm just thinking out loud. I do have sunscreen at home. I'm just gonna bring that because it's gonna be hot as hell out there in Atlanta. And then I got a small toothpaste. It's fine, I'm not tripping. So that is it for my little haul. Oh, this car is so messy, guys. So that is it. I spent too much damn money, but it is fine. So what else we have to do today? I don't know why I can't speak. I do not know what's wrong with me, and I need to be able to speak for this damn meeting. So once I get home, I need to relax. Probably cook something to eat. I'm gonna eat something at home because I know I'm gonna be spending so much money next week. I'm gonna spend a lot of money, and I'm okay with that. I like spending money. You know what I mean? I like spending money, especially on experiences. You know. So I might as well just do my meeting here, and then after the meeting, I'm going to go to the store because I want to buy some bottles. I'll probably just buy 2 bottles, and that's the thing. I need to figure out what I want to drink. Like, I was thinking about getting Hennessy. And Ciroc is always like my favorite. I love clear. So I'm thinking about just buying Hennessy and clear, like a small. Ooh, he almost hit him. Okay. So that's all I'm gonna do. Oh, I need to finish the orders I told you guys earlier. We need to finish fulfilling. I want to ship it tomorrow morning, and I still haven't got my eyebrows done. Yeah, my eyebrows need to be done. When I got my nails done, the girl wasn't there who do eyebrows, so I'm like, by Tuesday my eyebrows need to be done by Tuesday of next week. Alright, so today gonna be a chill day. I just uploaded a video too as well on YouTube. I don't have any good service. Alright guys, so I'll talk to you guys later. Something again, maybe the watermelon, no, the peach Ciroc, and getting like a little thing of Hennessy. The meeting, I just got off the meeting and then I just ran inside the store. The meeting was good, just a lot of bosses linking in. That's all I'm gonna say about that so far, but I'm excited. Cannot wait until see the outcome, and I'm gonna wait to tell you guys what me and my mom working on. So I just got back from the store, spent $55 again. Okay, so I bought 2 bottles. I bought Hennessy, this cute little bottle of Hennessy, and I got Ciroc, a big bottle of Ciroc. Of course I'm not gonna mix it. One day I'm gonna drink light, the other one I'm gonna drink dark. I think this bottle is so freaking cute. But no guys, so I buy my own. I know the lighting is horrible, just work with me. I need to move the car. But I buy my own bottles because it's always good to have your own, especially when you go on vacation. I think this is so cute. I don't know why I keep looking at this bottle though. It's about to be a party, guys. All right, so I'm about to just head home. Okay, I thought I heard something. I'm about to head home. I'm gonna relax a minute. I'm gonna cook some dinner, like I said earlier. And after I relax, and yeah, cause I've been out all day, guys. I've been out all day. Then I'm going to, what am I gonna do? Oh, finish the order. I don't know why. Okay, I need to finish, me and my mom need to finish those orders that we have. And somebody else just placed an order, a large order. I'm grateful. Don't get me wrong, I am so grateful. So I'm gonna record, of course. I'm gonna show you guys everything, and then yeah, I love it. You guys are rocking with me, even though it's not that many people, but still, I love it. All right, I'm gonna play some music, and then we have to be out. Oh, I need to pack too. I need to pack tonight. This one is a small. So these are the shirts. Now it's time to package them up. My shirt coming loose. Whew. Okay, they all fit in comfortably.